Finally! It's my turn to shine now!
Excuse me? And why is your music playing?
This is a video about me, so I thought I'd help you out by putting my theme song in.
No, I was gonna do Chiaki today.
Yeah, nobody wants to see those lame-o characters. Monomi's already gotten the spotlight. Now you want to do Chiaki? You have no idea what the people want.
Why are you so angry all of a sudden?
The people crave someone with humor. The people crave someone who's exciting. The people crave the one and only Monokuma.
First of all, you're not even the real Monokuma. You're just a stuffed animal on my shelf. Second, nobody wants to see Monokuma.
Everybody wants to see Monokuma. And for that little remark, I'm taking over your YouTube channel. I thought you might do something like that, so I've prepared a very special punishment for the ultimate makeup artist. Let's get it everything we've got. It's punishment time!
What did you do to my face?
I made it better. Now you look just like me.
I don't want to look like you. This wasn't the plan.
Well, too bad. This is the punishment you get for knocking me off the shelf.
See what I have to deal with here? Today, I'm gonna show you how to do the King of Despair. The most bear of despair inducing bears. Man, that was a very messy introduction. Today, I'm gonna show you how to do Monokuma from the Danganronpa series. To be all fair, I've never actually played Danganronpa, but I've watched it. It's very addicting to watch, actually. I'm not playing Danganronpa on purpose because I have a special surprise for you guys, and it's a surprise that I can't say. If you want to see more Danganronpa characters, please hit that like button if you enjoy this video, and smack the subscribe button and join the horsepower. Now, no more horsing around. Let's get right into the video and let's get started! Okay, as you can see, I've already sketched out everything related to Monokuma's face. I skipped over the sketching because you can look at a Monokuma picture and just go off of that. Next step is to fill in the half and half face. Obviously, the despair side would be half black and the hope. Does Monokuma have any hope? Do you have any hope? The white side.
Danganronpa.
So what we're gonna work on now is just kind of the nose and mouth area. I'm gonna fill in the teeth on the despair side and then the open mouth on the white side. I'm saying white side because it sounds weird saying hope side. Monokuma has no hope. I'm convinced there's no hope in Monokuma. And then we're gonna start working on shading. I'm gonna be using just like a basic gray eyeshadow for shading. Okay, I think now we're ready to outline the entire nose and mouth area. Okay, so for the eyes, you could do two ways. So you could either use your normal eyes and use contacts, so you don't have to paint like a black eye up above here and just use black contacts. What I'm gonna do is paint a little button eye so it looks, I don't know, so it kind of fits the cartoony look for the rest of it. But you can do either way, it'll look fine. For this side, just paint everything red. You could do the same thing where you can keep your eyes open and just wear a red contact, or you can close your eye and let the paint do the talking. Kinda looks like freaked out Monokuma right now. Once you've drawn your eye in, set it with black eyeshadow. We could even do what I just kind of made up on the fly. See, I change my mind all the time. What you can also do is fill it in with the NYX Jumbo pencil before you lay down the paint. It'll make it brighter like this. So, see, this is how bright it is with the pencil in the corner. That's without the pencil. So, if you want a little bit brighter, you could use this. Now, I don't see highlights in the original picture for the red eye, but I'm gonna add highlights because I want to. And it's gonna make it stand out more. Next thing we're gonna do is add a little seam line next to the center. Again, this is just me being detailed, but this side I'm gonna use gray eyeshadow, and this side I'm gonna use a little bit of white paint. Probably water it down a little bit. Again, we're gonna do the same theme of the half black, half white. And then I'm probably gonna start drawing the belly area down here. I'm not drawing the belly button or anything, just add like that extra pocket of white down below. Next thing I'm going to do is add an outline continuing onto the belly, then do some shading in the belly to make it more 3D. And then we're going to add that same line that like we did up here. And then I think we just have one more thing to do. Okay, the last thing I'm going to do is add a little highlight up here, add a little shading up here, put my wig on, possibly contacts if you're going to have your eyes open, and we're done.